Your dash cam isn't the problem, the SD card inside is. People spend hefty amount of money when they buy, let's say, 4K dash cam with 2 channel, 3 channel. Then they drop some cheap card that they use inside their phone. And 3 months later, when something actually happened on the road, the moment you need the footage, the card is corrupted, maybe blank or useless. Today in this video, I am going to tell you exactly which card you need to buy for your dash cam and why it matters, and the one mistake that quietly killing your card right now. Alright, so let's start with first question. Why cannot I use any card on my dash cam? Why we need a different card? So here's the thing nobody tell you. A dash cam record itself all day, every day, loop recording, and the card never get a break. A normal phone SD card is built maybe for a few rides a day. A dash cam card, however, write to thousands of times. That's like running a marathon on a card that is built to record for a few minutes or few hours. That's why you need a card with one specific word on it: endurance. High endurance, pro endurance, max endurance. And if your card doesn't say endurance, it is not built for this job. And generally, what people look at card, they only look for speed. Yes, speed matters, but when it comes to dash cam card, another thing that matters is endurance. And then there is a second killer, especially when we talk about India, which is heat. A dash cam sits on your windshield, and in Delhi, we know how much the temperature raise. It can go up to 50 or 60 degrees. A normal card cooks, which can fail a normal regular card. Alright, now let's talk about what are the options we have. So I looked at every option you can buy in India right now, and let me save you the rabbit hole and give you 3 that matters. And I would like to start with Samsung Pro Endurance. If you simply want the best, you are done thinking about it, simply go for Samsung Pro Endurance, not for Pro Ultimate or any other card. Samsung Pro Endurance is the card you should look for. And there are 2 reasons for that. First of all, the lifespan. If you opt for 128GB variant, it is rated for around 70,000 hours of recording. Okay, and yes, this recording is in full HD, so you can convert that to 4K. So of course that number will be reduced. Maybe we can consider 70,000 by 4. And when we talk about 256GB, then it is rated for around 1,40,000 hours. So let's say if you drive a car and then you drive it for 2 or 3 hours per day, I think it's going to last for next 15 years. If let's say you are using a 4K dash cam. Second reason, it is built for reviews. I mean, it is waterproof, shockproof, X-ray proof, magnet proof, and handle temperatures from freezing cold to scorching heat. And this is exactly we need, because people drive cars in different harsh environment. And of course, these all cards are U3 and B30 rated, which is more than enough for full HD and 4K without dropping a frame. And of course, it comes with 5-year warranty on both 128 and 256GB model. And yes, pricing is the one, I mean, generally in India, sellers sell this card like anything. If you get the 128GB card for around 2,500 to 3,000, then I think it makes sense to buy this. And let me see what right now the price is. And here you can see somebody is selling this card at 15,000, which of course I am not going to recommend to buy at this price. Alright, let's talk about the next option then, which is from SanDisk. SanDisk is also very reputed brand, and the card that I am going to recommend is SanDisk High Endurance card. Actually, there are 2 cards. One is known as SanDisk High Endurance and another one is known as SanDisk Max Endurance. So here is a High Endurance card, and probably I need to look for Max Endurance. And here is the Max Endurance card. Alright. And right now, probably because of memory scarcity, I think every card is so expensive. And that is why, here you are seeing these kind of numbers. So all I would say is, if you are looking for reliable performance, go for Samsung Pro Endurance if you can find it at similar price. Else, you can go for this Max Endurance that also have got very good rating. Maybe here also they might have mentioned, which is 1,20,000 hours, just 20,000 hours less than the Samsung Pro Endurance. But look at here the price, this is much affordable than Samsung one. And of course, if you want more value, then go for High Endurance, which is even half the price of what you need to pay for Max Endurance. But here the thing is the lifespan of the card. So it drops from 1,20,000 to only 20,000 hours. But come on guys, I mean, if let's say you are getting this particular one as well, and let's say 256 gigabyte variant can do 40,000 hours. So 40,000, if let's say you drive your car daily for 2 hours, so that's 20,000 days. Now if I divide that by 365 days, which is an year, so it is like 54 years. So look at this number. Okay, do not simply buy any card and do not simply overpay. Maybe this Samsung High Endurance is good enough for our use case. Even let's say I am assuming that you are using 4K dash cam, so we need to divide by 4, and let's say 2 channels. So now we need to divide this by 5. So if I divide this by 5, still the number is coming to be around 11 years. That's already a huge number, unless somebody is a taxi driver and driving all day long, then probably they can go for Max Endurance. And of course, as I told you, these cards are rated for maximum reliability. Do not expect them to perform like high performance card. They will not have that kind of transfer rate, and they even do not claim to be. So here you can see it have got read speed of 100 megabyte per second. And if we look for the regular card, for example, the SanDisk Pro or even this Lexar Pro, you can see their speed, they go up to 280 megabyte per second, or the SanDisk one also can do up to 170 megabyte per second. So these cards are fast. But as I said in starting, for dashcam, we need reliable cards. So based on your budget, you can go for any of these cards. And if budget doesn't matter, then go for this Samsung Pro Endurance. Hope guys you find this video helpful and informational. If so, then please subscribe to Negi Tech for more such tech insights. And I will see you soon with one such another video. Till then, you take care and bye bye.